Hey, what's up everybody? It's Taikina Beauty. So we're getting into this. First, you're gonna need some hair bows, lots of hair bows, about 5 or 6. Then you're gonna need some oil. We're gonna take my favorite oil by Desert Essence. It smells like coffee, and we're gonna put it all throughout my crazy hair. I like to massage it in because it just feels nice and it feels like my hair is getting stimulation. Well, the roots, like your hair needs stimulation to grow, and it's just good to have the blood flow circulating to your hair. Now we're going in with that spray bottle I got from Amazon, and we're going to get this hair damp, brush it back because we're about to put it in a high bun, kind of like what we did it from my high bun sleek tutorial. You guys should watch that because I did a mini baby hair tutorial on that. It was pretty cute. Now we're gonna put this higher than the gods itself, up in heaven, amen. And we're going to saturate it with some more hair oils. I love oils in the hair. Of course, it's moisturizing, so let's do it. If only you guys could hear what I'm saying. I just be saying outlandish stuff, probably because of my hair. But now we're gonna go in with this spritz spray. I like that. It's from Curls. Then we're gonna take that man brush and we're just gonna brush everything back. What do you guys call this man brush? I have another word for it, but I'm not gonna use it. But what do you guys call this brush? On in with that funky rice water spray. I got this from a black owned company. I'm not against it. I'm just not crazy about the scent. I'm very sensitive to smells, so I do not like harsh smelling things. So I like to saturate that with other stuff to kind of desensitize that funky smell. Rice water stinks. Now we're going in with Element, the leave-in conditioner, and I'm just putting that everywhere. And then we're going back in with that man brush because we want this part of my head to be sleek. We don't want any lumps or bumps, no frizzies, no flyaways. I'm like in deep thought. Girl, we need to cut the image so you guys can't see it, but I'm keeping the audio. Now we're just gonna prepare for the high bun. I'm using Alafia. This is their gel I like to use on the top of my head. I'm not crazy about the gel, but I do like it for an organic gel, so I will continue to purchase it until I find something that's better. Now we're going to form this pony. I like to visualize how it's gonna look before I actually do it because it saves more time and we're not making mistakes and we don't have to go back, and it is just good to visualize it. Visualize everything you guys want in your life. Just visualize. Now we're brushing this back, and then I'm kind of forming my baby hairs. So I love combing my baby hairs with my finger. I feel like that looks so good and looks natural. And I'm just not a pro with the baby hair brush, but I'm learning. I like to do my baby hairs because I feel bald-headed if I don't, and they're gonna come out one way or another, so might as well. So I'm just gonna form my monkey sideburns. Then we're just gonna push back my natural baby hairs. We're liking it. Making sure my sideburns are even. Then we're just gonna keep brushing, and I'm like still visualizing, making sure the top of my head is straight. I've been so anxious throughout this whole video, like everything's been scaring me. You guys are gonna hear so much in the background. Then we're gonna put on that Eco Slay applesauce baby hair gel and just put that there. That is some strong baby hair gel. And then, are we gonna finally put this together? No, we're gonna wipe down that baby hair gel. I need a good natural gel that's like strong like this applesauce gel. Now we're going in with that sturdy hair bow. I love this hair bow. It doesn't have a brand on it. It's from the beauty supply store I go to. You can stretch it out for years and years, miles and miles, and it will not pop. I pop every hair bow I have, unfortunately, but these have not broken on me. They are sturdy. They're loyal. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Now we're gonna make sure all of the hair is down and nice and it's flat in the back. So we're just gonna stretch it out, if that makes sense. Oh my goodness, it does not. I don't know the term. Then we're gonna fake pretend and just see what it looks like. Again, we're visualizing. So we're gonna check to see if it looks okay. That bun is too big. It looks fine. The back of my head isn't too bumpy. I know I have to go in with a second hair bow because that's not tight enough. That's crazy. I have to use like 2 to 3 to 4. So yeah, I had to wrap it around again because it wasn't tight enough. Look how mega stretched out that is. That sounds crazy, but you guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah, this is a really good hair bow. I'll have to show pictures because I can't find it on Amazon. It's only at beauty supply stores. I want y'all to get hip to these good hair bows. So now we wrapped it around for I think a 3rd time or 4th time. And then we're gonna comb out this ponytail so it's flat when we do make the braid. I'm using that Element leave-in conditioner. I'm not crazy about it, so that's why I'm using it. Again, I use products I don't care for, that you can't see my hair texture in. So if I'm wearing braids or if I'm wearing a wig, I will use products I don't like because you can't see my curls, so it doesn't matter, and I'm not wasting it. So now we're going in with this lovely black owned brush. I actually like it. The only thing that drives me crazy is that the bristles don't stay on that little line there. It always pops up, so I have to pop it back. But other than that, I do like it. I kind of like it better than the vent brush because I break every vent brush bristles that I have. Sounds so dramatic, but it's so true. Or the vent brush bristles mess with my hair. But enough about me, you guys. We're just gonna keep going in with that water and detangling because we want this bun to be as flat as possible. We don't want any bumps or lumps. My humps. My humps, my humps, my humps. Oh my gosh, I love the Black Eyed Peas. That was like my favorite band growing up, and Aqua. But now we're going in and we're still detangling, so it's gonna take some time. But please make sure your hair is damp if you have curly hair while you're doing this. If you don't, cool for you because you don't have to detangle. I mean, maybe you do, but like, I feel like if my hair was naturally straight, I wouldn't have to detangle because it's kind of flat. Not saying everyone who has straight hair is flat, but I feel like it would just be easier to like wrap in a bun without having to smush it down. I hope that made sense. Because we want this bun to be really flat. Because I don't want this bun to be the center of tension of my braid. I'm not braiding my hair with that neckline here. It's just, my hair would have to be straight to do that. So now we're going on back in with Ayoba. I love that brand. Everything's sold out now, and I'm so sad about that. This brush does the job. Okay, now I think it's ready for us to form that. So you have to keep pulling at it to make it more tighter. I thought we were ready, but we're not. We're not ready just yet, you guys. We're ready or not. Here I come. I wish I could sing. I cannot. So yeah, now we're gonna do this bun. I feel like this is the smallest I can get the bun, which sounds ridiculous, but here we are. And we're gonna wrap it around 3 times. I usually do 3 times. That's the smallest I can get the bun, but it'll work. It's not too big, but that's the smallest I can get my buns. No pun intended. So I like the way the bun looks, so we're gonna keep it. And then we're gonna bobby pin where we see lumps and bumps and things that don't look out of shape. Sorry, y'all. Okay, so now we're going with the pre-stretched braided hair, also known as neckline hair. I have a word for you girls who don't have this hair texture. Why are you using neckline hair? What is the need for you to use yaki hair? To look more ethnic? Like, riddle me that. I just want to know. Like, I just find it really weird why girls who don't have this hair texture wear it, and I really feel like they do it to try to look a certain ethnicity or whatever they're trying to go for. Like, you don't see me wearing 613 Switzerland, Swiss Alps straight 10% density bundles. I'm not doing that. No, I'm sorry. Just serious question. Like, why do y'all do that? And y'all know who I'm talking about. Your celebrities, your faves have worn yaki, kinky hair, straight hair. Why do y'all do that? I just don't think it's right, because black girls who are darker or who are black in general, who wear their hair like that, get ridiculed. I used to work at a corporate job. I no longer work there, thank God, because they did not like me because I was very eccentric. I wore braids, and this white lady was in the elevator. She gave me the nastiest stank look because I had braids on. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I never thought I would get a stank look for wearing braids. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't think my light bright highlighter ass would have never gotten that reaction, and it pissed me the hell off. And I'm just like, why? It's just weird. Like, what in the hell? But anyways, like, it's just not fair that black women can't do things, but other cultures can take that and run with it and be seen as cool, trendy, and like different and beautiful. It's annoying. It's so frustrating. But anyways, now we're going into this braid. We're gonna it's really simple. All you have to do is you don't even have to braid. You just have to take a hair bow, wrap it around, and then puff it out. I went the extra mile and I got bobos. I call them bobos. I don't know what you guys call them, but I call them bobos, or other people call them bollies. And I saw this from Sierra. She did it and I thought it was really cute. So I was like, okay, let me do this. I thought it was really cute. But this hairstyle is very Princess Jasmine inspired. I loved Princess Jasmine as a kid. My mom, there's a picture I have from from elementary school, and my mom would say I look like Princess Jasmine. So I was like, okay, let me do this hairstyle because it's very Princess Jasmine-esque. I feel like that's what her hair looked like. So now we're gonna keep just braiding the hair. Not braiding, just keep putting hair bows in the hair. I think I used about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think I used about 6 hair bows. I got these from the beauty supply store. I actually popped one of the hair bows. And then we're just gonna keep poofing out that. See? Look what you done. Look what you did, girl. See. So yeah, I think I just kept poofing it out. I don't know what you call that. I wouldn't say tease, because I do not tease my hair. I will never tease my hair. I probably will have why do people tease their hair? I would probably have so many split ends from teasing my hair. So we're gonna keep going. I think I wrapped it around about 3 times, just so I could have that security and it's not moving around. Then I pushed it up a little bit. I wanted it thick, so I just kept pushing it out. But yeah, this is like a really simple and easy hairstyle. I would love to see you guys try this and show me your results. This is such a cute look. I'm happy about this. But yeah, we're just gonna keep going until we get all the way to the bottom. It's looking really good. So there we have the braid, and the end, when you're done, you just want to puff it out to your desire. If you want it to look thin, definitely go for it. I think that's a cute look too, but we want this thick. And there we have it. Now we're going in with the baby hairs. So this is typically how I do my baby hairs. I just brush them down with my fingers. I am gonna brush some of the hair back just to make sure it's more sleek. So I'm gonna take that baby hair brush and just brush back a little bit more where I see a little bit of flyaways. Then we're gonna brush. I am no baby hair expert. My sister is. She should get on my channel and do a baby hair tutorial because her baby hairs are so cute. She has the cutest baby hair style. Mine's are a little bit more natural looking because I don't do too much to them. And when I do too much, I think it just looks crazy. Okay, so now we're gonna spray that. And keep going. And I tried to use this method where I brush it down and then I put my finger there. I don't know what the hell I'm doing with my finger, but I'm trying something. But yeah, so there we have it. The middle part is the hardest. They're like almost grown up in there. They need to get out the house because they're not establishing themselves at all. There we basically have it. I like it a lot. I'm just gonna leave that there because I think that looks cute. I love it. It's like my little signature hairstyle. I love it. Yes, girl. And there we have it. Here is my holiday hair look. I hope you guys like it. It was super easy and simple. Super easy. Put your hair up in the high bun. Take those two braids and just interlock them bad boys and puff it up. Super easy. But nonetheless, you guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you're gonna subscribe, you're gonna hit the notification bell twice so you know the next time when I post a new video. I'll see my daisies next time. Until then, peace, love, and happiness. Bye, you guys. Later.